Today's sound is a special friend sound. It's 2 letters that make one sound. Today's sound is N. It's a bit funny because this we know as K doesn't make any sound. It's being quiet. So it makes N for knock knock, who's there? N. We also know this sound as N for Nobby and his net. N. Let's see if we can find today's sound in our sound pack. Good job, I'm going to hide it again. Well done. N is in N-O-K, knock. N-E, knee. N-O, no. N-I-T, night. Now try it on your own. Good job. Let's have a go at some alien words. Remember to look for your special friends. Nam. If, niff. Oof, noof. What a load of nonsense. Here's some red words for you to try. There. Are. You. Your. What was today's sound?